Hey YouTube, it's the Nubian Diary, and today I'm going to show you a do-it-yourself project. I'm going to be swapping the dishwasher. My dishwasher is broken. I'm going to be putting a new one, and I'm not bringing an installer or a handyman to do it for me. I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to go out there in the street and shut down the water supply, the main water supply. First, let's go and turn off this water supply line. So I'll go out here, show you what I do. I'll go out and turn on this water supply. The main water meter is, if you look at that, the meter is running. So I'm just going to turn it like it. I'm going to turn this side, turn the water off. Right here. The water is turned off, so I'm going to start working on this. I'm going to start working on that, but I need this. Standing ladder to help me with the camera there so you guys can see what I'm doing. My intention is I'm gonna put that unplug the dishwasher. I have this is what I found worked for me. So I just use this. I also turn this off. This is what I've just this is the water line. So I've unplugged this. It goes to the garbage to the disposal. Somebody's Did you lose your earbud?
What?
Did you lose your earbud?
Yes, I did. You found it?
Yep, it was under the dishwasher.
I knew it was in the kitchen. I just couldn't find it. Yay! You saved the day again. What was it?
Down there.
Jeez, Lord! Damn, there's all kinds of weird things back there. What's up with the lion? That's a weird looking lion.
And that's how you remove a dishwasher. Pretty easy. It took me less than 20 minutes to remove that dishwasher from in there. Did turn upside down my dishwasher. That goes there. We've got the green up wire on. I already did the part, so let's move to the next stage. And this comes in handy. This will help you, screw these wires in there. Okay, so that's that. Done with that. White, black. So we are good with that. So I just need to cover this. Things to remember when installing a dishwasher. Number 1, preparation. Measure the space, ensuring the dishwasher fits the allocated space in your kitchen. Check utilities. Verify access to water supply, drain and electrical connections. Gather tools. Have necessary tools like a screwdriver, pliers or level ready. 2. Safety first. Turn off the power and water supply before starting. Wear safety gloves and goggles to protect yourself. 3. Installation steps. Connect water supply. Attach the water inlet hose to the hot water supply line. Drainage connection. Connect the drain hose to the sink's drain or garbage disposal. Electrical connection. Ensure proper wiring. Plug into a grounded outlet. Level the dishwasher. Use a level to ensure the dishwasher is balanced and secure. Secure to countertop. Use brackets to attach the dishwasher to the underside of the countertop. Number 4. Testing. Run a test cycle. Check for leaks, proper drainage, and functionality. Adjust the feet or leveling screws if the dishwasher is not balanced. Number 5. Maintenance tips. Regularly clean the filter and spray arms. Use dishwasher-safe detergents and avoid overloading. So what I got was a Whirlpool dishwasher. I prefer KitchenAid, but Whirlpool, they had a good sale, so I wanted that. And also it's stainless steel inside. And this is the completed work. I installed the Whirlpool dishwasher by doing it myself. I'm not a handyman. I'm not trained in dishwasher installation or appliance installation. Did it myself. Thank you for subscribing to this channel and for watching this video. Well, now the kitchen has new appliance, so I'm pretty happy. It looks much better. That dishwasher that was here before, kind of old. I had to get rid of that. So that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you follow what I'm doing. And please leave me down a comment below. I know there's a lot of questions on how I was installing it, so leave the comments down below and I'm gonna answer you. Alright, guys. Thank you very much. See you next time.